Yuri Gagarin was a Russian-Soviet pilot and space traveler. On April 12, 1961, when his Vostok aircraft completed its orbit around the Earth, he became the first human to travel into outer space. After that, Gagarin became a big international celebrity and was honored with many medals and titles, including the Hero of the Soviet Union, which is one of the highest honors in his country. Even though Vostok 1 was the only spacecraft he piloted, Gagarin also served as a backup crew member for the Soyuz 1 mission, which unfortunately ended in a crash. After his space journey, Gagarin became the deputy training director at the Space Travel Training Center in Moscow. His life came to a tragic end in 1968 during a crash of a MiG-15 training jet. He was posthumously honored with a gold medal by the Fédération Aéronautique Internationale. Gagarin's family background was simple. His father, Alexei, worked in construction, and his mother, Anna, worked on a dairy farm. During World War II, their family was displaced, and Gagarin's sisters were sent to Germany for forced labor. Gagarin started his education in Saratov, where he developed an interest in math and physics. He also learned metalworking and joined a flying club. His first solo flight was in 1955, and he later joined the Soviet Air Force, graduating in 1957. Although he became a fighter pilot, his dream was to explore space. When the Soviet government called for applications for space travelers, Gagarin applied along with 3,000 others. After a rigorous selection process, Gagarin was chosen along with 19 others for the Soviet space program. He was part of an elite group known as the Six, and was selected for the first manned spaceflight. Despite facing stiff competition, Gagarin's calm demeanor and physical fitness made him stand out. Eventually, he was selected as one of the final 2 candidates for the historic mission. On March 27, 1968, tragedy struck as Gagarin and his flight instructor, Vladimir Seryogin, lost their lives in a crash of a MiG-15 during a routine training flight near the town of Kirzhach. Gagarin's body was buried at Red Square, leaving behind his wife Valentina, daughter Yelena, and son Galia.